Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Ryan here, the crypto grinder, and I would really like to talk about, how to use the USD Tether a little bit more. Now, taking profits is not always in Bitcoin or in Ethereum. Okay, you can actually take profits in USD Tether as well. And USD Tether is basically, one of the ways where you can secure, or at least give you a chance to use profits or at least your initial investment to re-enter certain cryptocurrencies as well. Now, do they cater to all your favorite altcoins? No, they don't. Usually, it's just the top few, right? The top 10 that allow you to use USD Tether and enter those cryptocurrencies. Do all exchanges have USD Tether? No. Only Poloniex, Kraken, Bitfinex, Bittrex, Liquid are able to use USD Tether. Now, USD Tether is, I think, essential for certain points in your trading or investing strategy. Why? Let's say, for example, let me give you an example of the recent crash. Okay, so let's look at the recent crash. And that happened on the 27th, right? That was a very significant day where you saw from 90 billion market cap, it came down all the way until I think maybe 45 billion. So you have like 50% down, right? Oh no, wait, 60 billion. So we lost 30 billion in terms of market cap. It actually went below 60 billion a little bit, and then after that it started recovering again. So it gave everyone a scare, right? Everyone was probably dumping Bitcoin for whatever reason, and we who still believe in Bitcoin wanted to buy more Bitcoin with our existing US dollars, euros, pounds, but I think we were having a problem getting it on the exchanges quick enough. And not only that, there were some exchanges that were literally down, aka Coinbase. And I was using CoinHako. I mean, I don't mind using CoinHako, but CoinHako ran out of BTC. And I think they even ran out of Ethereum. So I could not even buy, even if I had the cash ready, because it would have took me one business day to have my fiat into CoinHako, and from then I could buy, right? But I couldn't take advantage of that. So if you were somehow in USDT or Euro T, you would have been able to capitalize on these very, very sharp corrections. Now, if you were, of course, looking at buying Bitcoin, you want to be picking Bitcoin up below 2000, because clearly it looks very, very supported here, because this was where, when the sell down occurred, it actually rebounded back to, just at the 1965 USDT BTC. Now take note that USD Tether, okay, is 1.02 to the US dollars. So what does that mean? Meaning that you are paying actually 2 cents on top. Okay, you're gonna be paying 2 cents on top for your Tether. For every US dollar, for every USDT that you want to buy, you're paying 2 cents more to get USD Tether. So what do I mean? Now we look at CoinMarketCap, and you'll probably get a better picture there. Okay, so let's go to USD Tether. So it's currently on average amongst all the exchanges at 1.02. So that means you're going to pay 1.02 for 1 USD Tether. Okay, this is in USD. Now, in terms of the markets, say on Poloniex, if you're coming out from BTC, let's say let's teach you how to use it properly. Say you anticipate that 2,500 is more or less, gonna be capped. It's gonna show some resistance. You want to take profits into USD Tether, but however, there's a 3% spread. So you're gonna get lesser USDT than if you were to sell off Bitcoin into fiat. Does that make sense? So, but when you sell off USD into fiat, meaning that I assume that you're going to withdraw that money and use it. Okay, it's no longer going to come back. I mean, it could come back in later, but it's not going to just sit in whatever merchant account that you are deciding to use to receive, because you're going to sell off because you're no longer wanting to enter the markets with this portion of money. You're taking profit to pay for stuff. All right. So when you cash out, you notice that on Poloniex is currently now at 3% more. If you want to get out from, you're going to take profit, or at least get out. We just use the word get out from ETH to USDT. It's going to cost you 1.03. That means 3% more. Now, on of course, we look at, say, Bittrex, same thing, 1.03 as well. So there are certain exchanges that cater to cryptocurrencies that allow you to take profit in USD Tether. All right. So when you look at Poloniex, Poloniex is the one that has the most. Okay, it has the most cryptocurrencies, and you notice that these are all. Okay, I'm not sure about NXT though, but the rest are all, I would say, rather strong market cap, and they have been actually, of course, appreciating against USD Tether as well. And you want to take advantage of this, especially when there is a potential market sell down in BTC. Now, when is that going to occur? That's going to probably occur when the BIP 148 happens, right? Because there's going to be some FUD that BTC might have a correction. There's going to be volatility in the price. This is a given, okay? And that will probably happen leading up all the way until August. So people will, one, hide in any of the other alternate altcoins. So you're talking about Ethereum, Ripple, ETC, Litecoin, Lumens, whichever, would probably benefit when it's nearing the BIP 148. Of course, naturally, you could also hide in USD Tether. And once the whole dust blows over and, there's more certainty on where's the direction, or at least the price direction, the price direction of BTC, you can come back and purchase BTC again with the USD Tether that is sitting in your account. Now, of course, how are you going to secure your Tether account if you don't want it to be on your trading account? You can actually go to tether.to, download their app, and of course store that USD Tether. Now, for basically US dollar bank accounts, you are able to probably withdraw from USDT, out and get your fiat. Okay, you can do that. But I have not officially used it. I usually use USD Tether and have it maintained on the exchange, just in case, at least a percentage of it, so that just in case there's a sell down in BTC or Ethereum, or say Litecoin, I can use my USD Tether and buy into those cryptos. Okay, so I hope you see where I'm coming from. I'm just teaching you another method that you can consider instead of every time just looking at taking profits in BTC, LTC, or Ethereum. You can consider taking profits in USD Tether. Now, another play that I've been emphasizing to my Telegram group, slip of the tongue, is LTC. Now, LTC has been showing a long consolidation against BTC. This is an anticipation play, okay? This is an anticipation play. I have noticed that it has been consolidating around the 0.011 Satoshis level for quite some time. It of course went down slightly lower, to about the 1.06 million Satoshi mark. Okay, but if I look at how everything is going, I think LTC is due for a pop. Reason being, they've already activated SegWit. Okay, they're not gonna have any complications like what is to come on BTC. And at the same time, when there is uncertainty in the markets, people will just basically flow from BTC to the other altcoins, and I see LTC as a very, very good alternative as a store of value now. You will also see USD Tether during this period of time probably appreciate as well, because people want to take advantage of cheap BTC if there is a sell down in BTC. So I hope that this video has given you a clearer picture of how to use USD Tether better. And of course, I've already mentioned that you actually can download a wallet to secure your USD Tether, just in case if you don't want to have it on the exchanges, which of course is always the best practice for any token. Okay, and at the same time, LTC is one of those options. Ethereum Classic is also one which is also a very viable option, because Ethereum Classic against BTC has been very, very flattish. But of course, Ethereum Classic would not be the best store of value, because I see for the fact that they are going to pop probably the moment Emerald Wallet launches, and that's a very, very big announcement that's going to be happening either the 3rd week of June or the 4th week of June, because they're already in the UI UX stage. That means they're already preparing to launch and allow people to start using the Emerald Wallet and downloading the Emerald Wallet. So that is one play if you're looking for profits. LTC is definitely one play for profits as well. And yeah, and Ripple as well. Okay, Ripple has been really flat. So if you ask me, where would I be putting my money or hiding my money in the event I will have some BTC, guys, okay, because I don't want to miss out on the split, right? Because when the split occurs, then I'm going to get some BIP 148 tokens as well. But I also want to have some price appreciation in certain cryptos that I feel will benefit from the uncertainty in the BIP 148. And so I'm looking at LTC. Okay, let me just go to the chart for you. Okay, then you see everything much clearer. So I'm going to be looking at LTC. Okay, I'm looking at ETC. Okay, I'm going to be looking at ETC. See? ETC. And I'll be looking at XRP, which is Ripple. Okay? If there are no pops in Ripple, okay, this will also be another consideration for me, because it looks very consolidated and, you know, kind of range bound. But LTC is a beauty for me when I look at it from a chart perspective. This is a beauty to me, you see, because it's at a supported level. ETC, on the other hand, has a larger swing. Same thing as Ripple, it has a larger swing. So these are my 3 choices that I will be looking at in the event of uncertainty. Now, you're probably wondering, why am I not looking at Ethereum? Because Ethereum has run up too much. And since Ethereum has run up so much, it could also potentially correct. But could it also benefit from the BIP 148? Yes, it could. So from 250 to 300 or 300 to 350, very possible. But I'm looking for store of value here and slight price appreciation. I'm not here to get greedy. Then again, of course, you could also maintain in USD Tether and take your pick after everything blows over. Okay, so these are the few choices. I hope that this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give a like to this video if it made sense to you, and also give it a dislike if you felt that it was a little bit too complicated, or you didn't really understand it much, or you felt that this whole channel has been a waste of your time. Please remember to unsubscribe if this channel is not providing you value. But if it is, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell so that every time that there's a new video coming from Crypto Grinder, you'll be able to get first dips to it and not miss out on any of my levels or any of my videos, so that you can improve your investing skills, and of course, not only that, build a portfolio of cryptocurrencies for generational wealth. All right, so with that being said, God bless and have a good day, guys.